First, let's go to the item list. We're going to edit. The term item identifiers refers to the item number, the universal product code, otherwise known as the UPC, and the alternate lookup values for items in inventory. Item identifiers are used for looking up and listing items on documents and for other program functions. First, we'll talk about the item numbers. Every item except special order items has an item number associated with it in inventory. You can edit the item number, but you cannot delete it. Valid entries are 1 through 1 million. Item numbers above 1 million are not recommended, as the barcode would be too large to fit on the default tag templates. Item numbers are used to print barcodes on tags in point of sale. Next is a universal product code, otherwise known as UPC. These are manufactured supplies tags with UPCs, can be used to look up and list items on documents provided the UPC has been recorded in this UPC field on the item record in inventory. UPCs must be unique and can contain numbers only. The UPC field on an item record can be used to record up to 18 digits. Point of sale will convert UPC formats of less than 13 digits to a 13-digit form using a standard conversion algorithm. If a vendor provides alphanumeric barcodes that are not true UPC codes, do not enter those codes into the UPC field. UPC codes have a required format, and other code formats are not accepted. Consider using the alternate lookup field for these codes instead. So if you find that you entered the codes into the UPC and it doesn't show anything, then you probably would want to then paste them into the ALU. An alternate lookup is an optional field in inventory that can be used to look up, list, and print items on documents. The use of alternate lookups, this field can contain text descriptions, catalog part numbers, alphanumeric entries, abbreviated names, duplications of the item field, anything that allows you to quickly and positively identify a unique item. Alternate lookups must be unique for each item for which they are defined. To be effectively used to list items on documents, each alternate lookup entry should be a unique character string that can be easily remembered by cashiers, should not duplicate any items, item number, or UPC code. It is suggested that they start with a letter rather than a number. This helps ensure that alternate lookups do not duplicate an item or UPC number. If you have an alternate lookup of 1234 and an item number of 1234, both will be returned as matches when you enter 1234 in the item lookup field on a document. Hopefully this presentation helps you understand how the item identifiers work for an easy setup.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.